Making a pom-pom ice cream in a cone hangy thingy, or just decoration. So this, you're going to need some scissors, some yarn, a tape measure or ruler, some tape if you need it, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, brown paper or any kind of paper you'd like for your cone or dish or whatever you're going to make, and you're going to need some cardboard. Make like this little pattern shape, or you can use your hands. So if you're going to use your hands, you're just going to wrap it around your palm or your fingers. But if you want to make this, so you're going to take your cardboard, and so this is the size. You're going to make a rectangle or square. So the measurement across is 3.5. So you're going to go across 3.5, going lengthwise. No, across. And then lengthwise is going to be 4.5. So you're going to make a 3.5 by 4.5 rectangle. And then this, you're going to cut this. The length of this is, so the separation is about 1 inch, and it is 3 inches tall. This slit is 3 inches, so 1 inch across, 3 inches down. So you're going to cut that out, and then you'll have something that looks like this. We're going to cut a piece of yarn that is 12 inches long. If you are using the thick yarn, you can wrap it around 100 times. And if you are using thin yarn, you wrap it around 150 times. I have the thick yarn. So if we're going to wrap this 100 times around our thing, okay, so here it is. Let's see. So you're going to hold one end like this, and you're just going to wrap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'll come back when it's at 100. So that's what it looks like at 100. So now you're going to take your string, put your string right in this gap here. So we'll put one side in. Careful not to slide your, and then you're going to take it and you're going to tie it up top here. Really tight. Alright, so now that you got it tight like that, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the edge. It is right here. And then I'll show you what's next. After you cut the edges, it'll look something like this. And you're just going to slide your pom-pom off and fluff it up. This would be the point where you can take your scissors and trim if you don't like the way it looks. But yeah, that's what that looks like after it's been cut. Alright, so the next step is to make our cone, which you'll have to see. So you're going to, you're gonna probably have to fuss with this. So let's see. Probably want something like this, where it's, so you'll just fold it like this, where you have, let's see, it's about, how many inches? About 2 inches almost, so you'll have that much space, and less space on this side. Let's see, this side is, so one side will be about like 1 inch, like with this, and then you're gonna cut this out. So you're just gonna cut on your fold there. so then you'll have something that kind of looks like this. So let's see. So you're gonna get your glue gun ready, and what we're going to do is we're gonna fuss with our cone until you get the right shape. So if you like a certain shape, you're just gonna roll it up, and then you're going to take your scissors and you're gonna cut this off here. So it all matches, kind of. So you have a cone shape like this, and then so we'll be able to, so yeah. We get a weird shape like this, or however how you made it. If you want, you can draw lines on your cone. So what I did was I rolled it up and I drew a line where we should place our hot glue. So when you roll it up like this, then it'll be lined up, and then you'll have the shape you want. So I'm still waiting for my glue gun to heat up. So after you've hot glued your edge, if you find it easier gluing down the corner first and then going up the line of your glue, then you can do that. So here is our cone. So now we're going to stick some glue on the inside, and then you're going to stuff your pom-pom in here. Alright, and stick your pom-pom in your cone. And so here is your ice cream. If you feel that it's not glued in all the way, you could put glue on the edge of your cone and to put the fibers down in more. So yeah, this is our ice cream cone pom-pom, and if you wanted to make more like embellishments, you could put like a smaller pom-pom on top, like for like a cherry, or if you have felt to make like a cherry, then yeah, this would work with that. So now if you want, you could probably try, if we made our string long enough, we could have hang this up, or you could put this in like a cup or something to display it. Alright, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make this pom-pom ice cream cone, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.